What's up, guys? This is Key, and what I want to know from you is, what CQB gun should I use? What to do. Alright, I have three guns here. My Krytac PDW, Krytac Kriss Vector, and that ArmorWorks Black Ace. Alright, so I have all three of these guns here, and I'm going to need your help to help me figure out which one is best for me in CQB. Alright, so with that, let's go ahead and get started putting some rounds on range. We're going to put them at these targets here. Alright, check out the targets. Alright, and see which one works best. Alright, let's do it. That first gun we're using is that Krytac Kriss Vector on semi-auto. Next up, Krytac PDW semi-auto. ArmorWorks Black Ace. Back to that Krytac Kriss Vector on full auto. Krytac PDW full auto. Last but not least, ArmorWorks Black Ace. Alright guys, there you have it. 3-gun test. We have here Krytac PDW, Krytac Kriss Vector, and that ArmorWorks Black Ace. Alright, so put those targets up down range, see what they would do. Now you guys got to tell me which one you like the best. But anyways, soda can here, lit up. This one's lit up, but the bottle, it got a hole or two in it. Can't really tell it. The water's just leaking out a little bit by a little bit. But that's some tough plastic right there. But anyways, that's the 3-gun test. So let me know which one I should use for CQB, and leave in the comments below which ones you would rather use, for CQB. All right, guys. All right. With that, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.